Good morning, class 8. So how are you? Everybody is fine and safe at home and doing well. Girls, a very important notice that whatever copies you have sent for the correction, it's not up to date. You have not done the work properly. Whatever one word, fill in the blanks or true and false I have given to you, that also was not done in the copy. Somebody has done the half of the part and half were left. So girls, next time when I am giving any PDF files to you, for that, please carefully read what I have given and then read the chapter and then try to solve all the questions, because it is for your benefit. Okay, it's not for me, it's for you, so that you should learn everything about the chapter. So whatever PDF files has been sent to you, please go through that PDF files, and whatever one word and fill in the blanks and true and false are given to you, girls, please try to solve that. Okay, if there any problem is coming to you in that, then you can comment on the comment box or ask me. Okay, then I will give you the solution. But first, you girls try all these things and try to read the chapter properly. So we have already finished our 4 chapters. Last was the program coding. In that I have explained you about all the commands, all the variables, constant, everything. And I told you about the basic one programming language I have taught you, that is basic, and in that basic I have taught you everything, what are the commands of the basic, how we start a basic, everything, what are the programmings, everything I have explained you in that. So now we will start with a new chapter, that is app development. Now what is app? A-P-P, app. What is app? App is a short form of application. You have seen in your mobile phone small icons are there with the figures. That is called apps. Okay. So what are they? What the use of that app? They are for some features, for developments, for any game or any online shopping or any of the official work. We are having so many apps for that. For social media networking, we have so many apps. For online, we have so many apps. So all apps are for our benefit, for day-to-day life. Okay. So what is the definition of app? The word app is a new name given to a software and is the most common word used these days. Nowadays, we are very habituated to work with the app. For everything, for a little thing also we use the app. Yes, for anything, like if you are making any video, any creative video, that also for you need an app to do that creative work. Okay, for studies also, so many apps are there, Byju's and so many apps are there for the educations also. And for entertainment also, you having so many apps. For games also, you having so many apps. For now also, we can say that app is a we can say a lifeline for us for our day-to-day life. Okay, because in each and every step we need an app to do anything, because we having everybody having the mobile, and I think so that in 75% people having the Android mobiles. So in Android mobiles so many apps are there already. Some are default apps which are there already in the mobiles, and some we download with the help of the Google Play, and from there we get so many apps for our benefits, so that we can do our work very easily. Earlier, whenever we have to do any work, we do manually that work, and then we have to put in the computer or in the mobile. But nowadays, there are so many apps that just we have to do a simple thing, and for that creativity, the apps are there to help you, so that your video may look very attractive and you can make it. So life has become very easy to work with an apps, with whatever work we do in our day-to-day life. Now, so it is an application. The word app, the full form of app is application. The abbreviation of app is application. Okay. So working with apps are used for perform some special tasks. Special tasks means the animated or any creative work. Okay, like for example, we are doing the videos. Okay, for that also, to make the video more clear, more loud or more creative, then we use the app to do that. Okay, so it is a special task. Next, when someone creates an app, it automatically gives the ownership to that user. Now, when you download anything, any app you download, first it asks for to registration. Okay, because each and every app has an authorized. Okay, so if it is not authorized, it will not ask you for the registration. It means it is a false app. But if it is a genuine app, it will first register you in your any account. If your account with the Google or with the Facebook or WhatsApp, whatever, first it will register you. It means it is a genuine app. But if the app is not asking about any registration, that means it is not a genuine app. Okay, so whenever we are downloading any app, apps first ask you for your registration. Then means ownership. As you register on it, then it will ask you for your phone numbers or any email address, and then a verification code will come. After verifying that code, then app is ready to use. Okay. After that, you can use this app in any way, whatever work you want to do in that app, you can do this. Next is, an app can be reused, modified. Every time an app needs an updation. You see, whenever you have 1 month, after 1 month or after 6 months, हर 6 महीने और 1 मंथ जो जैसा भी उसका रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन है, टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो अपना अपडेशन मांगते रहता है. Okay, so as you work with it, so it can be reused or it can be modified, anything we can do with that app. Next is, and can be shared. App we can share also. Okay, like websites, we can't share, every time we can't share. Some websites are not able to share. Okay, but apps we can share. Apps we can share with help of the social media networks. Okay, so it can be shared, it can be modified, it can be reused. मतलब इसको हम reuse भी कर सकते हैं, इसको modify भी कर सकते हैं, और इसको हम किसी भी जगह share भी कर सकते हैं, किसी के भी साथ. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ हैं तो आप उसी में आप शेयर कर रहे हैं. नहीं, आप सबके साथ शेयर कर सकते हो उसको. ओके, यू कैन शेयर विद एवरीबडी. सो एन ऐप कैन बी देन the main purpose of building an app is to create, implement and develop innovation. ठीक है, इसका मेन वर्क क्या है? टू क्रिएट, कुछ बनाने के लिए, टू इनोवेट, नए थिंग्स को और भी अच्छा करने के लिए, और टू डेवलप, किसी चीज़ को बनाने के लिए. क्रिएट मतलब हम कुछ नया शुरू कर रहे हैं, उसमें कुछ इनोवेशन कर रहे हैं, इन्वेंट कर रहे हैं कुछ, और उसी चीज़ को फिर डेवलप करने के लिए, ताकि बाद में जाके जो भी उसको यूज़ करे तो उसको उस काम को करने में आसानी हो. ठीक है. सो फॉर वर्किंग एन ऐप यू नीड अ स्मार्टफोन और एंड्रॉयड फोन. किसी भी ऐप को काम करने, अब जब सिंपल फोन्स जो होते हैं, जो पहले ज़माने में सिंपल फोन्स होते थे, ऐसे यहाँ पर स्क्रीन होते थे और यहाँ उसके बटन होते थे, ये फोन्स पहले होते थे. तो इसमें हम वो काम नहीं कर सकते हैं जो एक स्मार्टफोन में कर सकते हैं. दैट फोन वॉज जस्ट यूज फॉर कॉल्स, रिसीविंग मैसेजेस, these all these things. But nowadays we are having, everybody, 75% people are having the Android phone or smartphone. So everybody using the different types of apps. Okay, so apps are used mainly in the smartphones. All the apps do not work on the mobile device, like Apple branded mobiles, which are very high quality mobiles, like Apple, BlackBerry. They having very limited apps. Like our phones, we can download any type of apps. Okay, but like Apple's, BlackBerry, they are little bit high quality mobiles, so they doesn't accept all types of apps. They accept only limited apps which are not authorized apps. They will not accept it. They will accept only the authorized apps, like WhatsApp they will accept, they will use the Facebook, they will accept all the online shopping apps which are authorized, but not all the apps which are there in the Play Store, because some apps are not authorized, just they are made. Okay, so some mobiles accept, but the branded mobiles like Apple, BlackBerries, these doesn't accept the mobile apps every time, all types of apps. Okay, so Android, Microsoft and different online apps stored from where you can download the apps. So these mobiles accept only those types of apps. ये सिर्फ वही apps यूज करते हैं जो ऑथराइज्ड होते हैं. जो ऑथराइज नहीं होते हैं वो ये फोन्स उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं. ठीक है. सो बेसिकली एप्स आर डेवलप्ड इन 3 डिफरेंट पर्पस. फर्स्ट इज प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, हमें किसी भी टाइप का प्रॉब्लम है, लाइक वी हैव टू क्रिएट अ वीडियो, वी हैव टू डू द शॉपिंग, वी हैव द ऑनलाइन एप्स टू डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स. ओके, तो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाता है. हमें अभी क्या है, अभी जो सिचुएशन है लॉकडाउन का, नाउ द लॉकडाउन्स आर गोइंग ऑन, so we can't go every time to the shop and do the work. Okay, so we having the online apps and we can sit at home and we can order anything whatever we want with the help of the online shopping. Next is entertainment. Cinema halls are closed. Okay, but we have so many apps. Netflix we are having, Hotstar we are having. Okay, so Amazon Prime videos we are having. So many things. What are the things that we are having? We are having the Amazon Prime. We are having Hotstar. We are having Netflix. So these are the online entertainment apps where we can see our online movies, serials, songs, series, web series, so many things we can see with the help of these apps. So these are for the entertainment. And last is adding values. Provide service to your day needs like Skype, etc. Daily needs. Informations, transferring information one to another person. Okay, we are using the apps. Okay, so three things we are using to for using the apps are the main three things are problem solving, next is entertainment, and last is the added values. So these three things makes the app easy to work. Next is why to build an app. ऐप किस लिए यूज होता है? क्या ऐप किस लिए यूज होता है? टू अर्न मनी बाय सेलिंग द एप्स. एप्स को सेल करने पर भी पैसे मिलते हैं. इफ यू आर सेलिंग द ऐप टू वन पर्सन टू अनदर, वी हैव क्रिएटेड द ऐप. ओके, जस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ वाइट हाइट जूनियर. The kids are making the codes, making the apps, and the apps are being sold to the companies and they earning the money. Okay, so earning the money. Next is to provide any product. We are doing the online shopping, so many variety of products we are getting. So for that also. Next is to maintain the relationship with the customer. We are shopping. If the online is not a fake, then the customers are very satisfied with that online app and they will regularly purchase the things from that app. And then to deliver locations based information like Ola, Just Dial. If you are booking the tickets, e-tickets, if you are booking the cabs, that also we are using the apps for that. Okay, and next to offer latest apps for mobiles and computer. We are always updating ourselves for the new things. So the apps are for that to update our things and what new things has been there in the market. And last is to publish news and recent information. What is going around the world, for that also we are having that. Okay. Every time we are not going to switch on the TV and we are watching the news and we are knowing about the world. No. The apps are there. You just download that apps and open that apps and you will get the information about the whole world. Okay. So today I will stop here, girls. You go through this video very carefully. Listen the video very carefully and try to understand. If there is any problem, girls, please comment on the comment box and be at home, be safe and study. Thank you.